Holy smokes, guys. Look at that dump. Oh my goodness. We got a 20% dump, you guys, since Thursday, the 18th of September. Oh my God. Did you guys know the ETF just launched like 4 days ago for Dogecoin? That's crazy, bro. Dogecoin ETF on the stock market. Did anybody think that was going to happen? Man, that's so crazy. Did you guys buy the dip? Who bought the dip on this rally, man? Or who bought the dip on this dump? Tell me in the comments, man. I got mixed reviews. Some people think the Doge is going to go to the moon, and some people think Doge is going to barely get over 25 cents. I love the controversy in the chat. Let me know down below what you guys think the price target is for the end of this cycle. All right, let's get into the video, you guys. Welcome back to Crypto for Freedom. Thanks again for joining me for everything in self-sovereignty in the cryptocurrency space. Are you guys scared of this dump right now that just happened over the last couple days here? This is the 4-hour chart. And anybody buying the dip out there? Man, I get paid tomorrow. I'm definitely going to be buying the dip. But it's actually more of like a dollar cost average because I be buying Bitcoin pretty much every week. And that's the way to go. Excuse me. That's pretty much the way to go is dollar cost averaging into the cryptocurrency markets, mainly Bitcoin and Dogecoin for life-changing wealth over time. And if you're scared of this dump, man, this dump ain't really nothing to be scared about. When in doubt, zoom out. And the trend is your friend until the end, you guys. This is a Bitcoin chart. We're going to go to the monthly chart now and take a look at that. Back here in, what was it? Actually, let's go to the weekly here for a second. Back here in January 2024, the Bitcoin ETF dropped. And I remember this time, I actually sold a little bit of Bitcoin right down here, right below $40,000. I was kind of scared right before the price went up. But take a look at how much Bitcoin dropped after the ETF came out. 21%. What does that remind you of? The drop we're seeing the last couple days after the Dogecoin ETF dropped. So when in doubt, zoom out, you guys. Now's the time to be buying the dip. It's not really a time to be scared. Dogecoin has come a long way, and I think we're right about to enter the most parabolic part of the cycle for Dogecoin. Blow off top peak. And yeah, we're looking for Bitcoin to make a huge move. This is just a little pullback here, guys. You know, maybe the top is in. Who thinks the top is in? If you guys think the top is in, put it down below in the comments. I personally don't think the top is in for Bitcoin. We're only seeing, I mean, right there we saw a 13% drop. That's really nothing. We've seen way bigger drops this cycle and in other cycles. Back here in January, we had a 30% drop. Back here in March of 2024, we had a 33% drop. So, I mean, if we're going to drop 33% from here, from the all-time high, I mean, that would bring us down to 83,000. I'd be kind of questioning if the top was in at that point, personally. But I just don't think that's going to happen. I think this is just a shakeout. I think now's a great opportunity to load up on your bags, buy the dip, accumulate. We're seeing a lot of single-digit declines here on the daily chart. And like I keep saying, I'm just going to keep saying the best thing to do is to just, when in doubt, zoom out, dollar cost average, buy the dip, have a plan, make sure to have an emergency fund. Make sure to have income coming in every single week in an emergency fund to protect your assets and keep stacking the most scarce, desirable asset in the world, which is Bitcoin. Continue to stack Dogecoin because Dogecoin is a great asset too that continues to make higher highs and higher lows in every single cycle. And I would be highly surprised if Dogecoin didn't make a new all-time high in this cycle above 74 cents of the previous all-time high right here. Now, I'm definitely looking for Dogecoin to make this move from where it's at now at 23 cents up to the all-time high, which is going to be a 200% move from here. That'd be pretty great gains. Like I said, when in doubt, zoom out, you guys. Like if you're scared of this little dip on the 4-hour chart, I mean, this is the monthly chart. This is a white candle on the monthly chart. This is looking very constructive here. Okay, we're making higher highs and higher lows on the chart. And I honestly see another higher high coming here for Dogecoin. And something like this, at least up to this level, which that would be from here, like I said, 200% move. So that's a huge move, you guys. I mean, I really doubt this is the end of the cycle here, and we're going to be heading down from here. It looks very similar to the last cycle. And keep stacking Doge, you guys. It looks like the stochastic RSI is fully reset and ready to move back up to the top. If you look right here, January 2025, that's where we peaked out on the last stochastic RSI. And that's where we peaked out on the price over here. And just keep holding, you guys, because the final crypto bull run is coming here. The blow off top is coming for Bitcoin and altcoins. Altcoin season is on its way. The 4-year cycle is still intact, okay? The trend is your friend until the end. And has the trend broken? No, it hasn't. Has Dogecoin made a higher high in every single cycle? Yes, that's the trend. So until that is proven otherwise, I'm assuming Dogecoin's going to go up and make a higher high up here somewhere. I don't know how high it's going to go. Go back and check out some of my last videos to check out some price predictions, how high I think it's going to go. Thank you guys so much for all the continued support on the video. It's been great having all the new viewers and new subscribers. I really appreciate that, all the love. And tell me below in the comments, how high do you think Dogecoin's going to go this cycle? Because in the last couple cycles, I mean, in 2021, Dogecoin went up from the low over here 35,000%, you guys, from the low. I mean, if that happened again this cycle from the low, I mean, that would put Dogecoin over, yeah, over $20 per coin. So, or close to $20 per coin, $16 per coin. And you know what? $16 makes sense because we see a 90% retracement from every single cycle, which would bring Dogecoin back down to $1.55, which is, you know, about 100% above the previous all-time high. In the 2017 cycle, or in the bear market after the 2021 cycle, that bear market was 200% above the previous all-time high. So why couldn't Dogecoin go up to $16, come back down to, you know, $1.50, and be 100% above the previous all-time high at the bottom of the next bear market? It seems like logical. It seems like it could happen. And I'm continuing to hold my position. I'm continuing to buy more Bitcoin because it's the hardest asset the world's ever seen, and I have immense conviction in it. And I think Dogecoin has massive potential for the future. I'm never going to sell my entire position there because I just don't think I'm ever going to be able to get Dogecoin again at the price that I bought it at personally. And I have a long-term mindset. I'm very convicted in the cryptocurrency markets. I'm here for the life-changing wealth. And yeah, I'm just not going to do anything else because this is my path now. And now that I'm a content creator and I'm starting to build a following, I'm finding a lot of purpose here, bringing content to people. And thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure to leave your comments down below. If you're new and you like the video, like and subscribe. It looks like about 95% of my viewers are not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. Let's get up to 100 subscribers. That way I can go live. Once I get to 50, I can go live, and we're just gonna keep growing together, you guys. So with that, Crypto for Freedom out. Peace.